In the modern world, artificial intelligence, or AI as most people refer to it, has emerged as one of the most contentious issues. For some, it's just another science fiction fantasy that will fade into obscurity. On the other hand, technical gurus like Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai have high expectations for it. According to recent statements made by Pichai, artificial intelligence will affect humanity more than fire, electricity, and the internet. In the end, this indicates that there will be a lot more AI developments in the future, and you definitely don't want to fall behind. Watch the video today to see the top trends in artificial intelligence as we break the code. The AI trends in this movie will astound you, ranging from language modeling platforms to AI-based creative art systems to the much-discussed virtual world known as Metaverse. Let's go straight to the point without any more ado. The enhanced labor force. There will always be concern that machines and robots may replace us in our work. In fact, a lot of people think that there is no way to stop this coming paradigm shift. But it's important to remember that human labor will always be required in every type of business you can imagine, including the banking hall, the mall, and even the factory. Research indicates that by 2025, artificial intelligence would replace 85 million jobs. But it will also generate 97 million new employment in the same time frame, proving that in the grand scheme of things, people will always matter. This is precisely the point at which the augmented workforce becomes relevant. But first, let's define augmented workforces and discuss their significance. A smooth partnership between intelligent technologies and human workers to improve efficiency and productivity at work is known as an augmented workforce. It sounds quite futuristic, but some companies are already adopting this scheme. According to reports, 93% of manufacturing companies agree that AI is key to driving growth and innovation within the sector. 9 out of 10 leading businesses have invested in AI technologies, and experts say artificial intelligence is expected to contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Although this would require a change of approach by organizations and workers alike, rather than pursuing total automation, companies should fortify their workforce by adopting digital augmentation. On the other hand, employees should be more open to the possibility of collaborating with robots. If you ask us, we think you should get a robot friend today, as it will help you prepare for the inevitable future. Optimized language modeling. Language modeling is a process that facilitates communication between machines and humans. Over time, they have become very intelligent, so much that they can literally convert natural human languages into computer codes. Other use cases for language modeling systems include image captioning, text summarization, and text or voice recognition. Recently, researchers conducted a trial for Aristo, the language modeling system that can read, write, and answer science questions. The GPU-accelerated system was able to answer 90% of the questions in an 8th grade New York Region science exam, beating the 83% high score recorded by students. Currently, the OpenAI GPT-3 is the world's most advanced language model ever built, with 175 billion parameters for variables and data points. However, the San Francisco-based company has plans to launch a more intelligent language modeling system called GPT-4 sometime soon. According to reports, it will feature up to 100 trillion parameters, meaning it will be 500 times better than the current GPT-3 system, and nearly 2 times better than the 540 billion parameters offered by Google's Pathways language model solution. To gain some perspective, the GPT-4 language modeling system will be able to start and hold human-like conversations with people without any problems. Eye-powering cybersecurity systems. The World Economic Forum claims cyberattacks are potentially as dangerous to our society as terrorism. And with the influx of more machines and tech gadgets, we are increasingly becoming prone to cyberattacks. And as these attacks continue to surge, experts are constantly in search of effective solutions that will quickly identify and eliminate threats. So far, artificial intelligence is proving to be that solution. It can easily tackle this menace with the help of data and intelligence gathered from several blogs, news, and research papers. And just in case you're still skeptical, experts believe that AI systems are 80 to 93% more efficient in tackling cyberattacks than human solutions. If you have reached this far in the video, we would like to give you a huge thanks. You can extend your support by subscribing to the channel and turning that notification bell on so you don't miss any of the content we upload. Comment down below, "I subbed," for your chance to be entered into our monthly shout-out giveaway. AI and the Metaverse. The Metaverse has gained huge traction since Mark Zuckerberg decided to enter the space by rebranding Facebook as Meta. But many more territories and potentials within this augmented reality world still remain untapped. But not anymore, because AI is about to change everything. We don't just want AI models that understand language, images, and videos. We want AI models that understand the entire world around us, and with the advent of the Metaverse, we have a unique challenge and a unique opportunity to make that happen, co-managing director of Facebook AI Research Jerome Pezzenti said. Furthermore, AI will be used to combine big data and machine learning to automate its operations within the Metaverse. Other possible use cases for AI within the Metaverse include creating enhanced smart contracts and an inclusive user interface. Low-code and no-code AI. The tech world is growing tremendously. The workforce needed to support this huge growth is inadequate. Currently, there's a scarcity of skilled programmers and AI engineers to create tools and algorithms needed to facilitate the adoption of technology on a global stage. But AI-powered no-code and low-code solutions have stepped up a few times to make up for the scarcity of workers within the industry, and it's slowly becoming a trend. Essentially, they enable people with little or no technical knowledge to build accurate prediction models using a visual, code-free, and simple interface. This solution is fast, cheap, and takes the stress off the already lean tech workforce. Autonomous vehicles. Every year, around 1.3 million people lose their lives in road accidents, with over 91% caused by human error. Autonomous vehicles are attempting to curb this problem by steering human drivers out of active service, but they will be relying a lot on artificial intelligence to get this done. AI is seen as a critical technology that will power autonomous vehicles ranging from cars to boats and aircraft. More than any other gadgets, autonomous vehicles are expected to feature more lines of code. According to the current estimate, autonomous cars, such as the Tesla Model Y or Kia EV6, will need about 300 million lines of code and 1 terabyte of storage to function. Take a look at some of the outcomes produced by the Google Pathway AI system, such as this one. An adorable fluffy panda dressed like a chef in a posh kitchen, creating dough, is depicted in a high-contrast painting. Behind him, there's a painting of flowers on the wall. Artificial intelligence, AI, will surely transform every aspect of human existence in the future, including our job and thought processes. Human errors will be reduced significantly across several industries, but it will come at a cost. For one, AI systems are quite expensive. Only a select group of wealthy individuals may be able to take advantage of all the advantages associated with the AI developments we have just discussed, as the majority of people may not be able to buy it. Furthermore, there are significant ethical questions, especially in the event that the technology ends up in wrong hands. A regulatory agency will be in place to monitor the sector. While there haven't been any formal confirmations yet, we hope so. How do you interpret these developments in artificial intelligence? And how will our lives be altered by it? Please share your opinions with us in the space provided for comments below. Make sure to click this link to watch the video.